Welcome to my channel. Just doing a bit more work on the A40 Somerset. I'll just show you inside. A bit of a mess inside this is. So I studied in the field for 20 years. I bought it in 2000, so I know it's not run since like 2000, which is 23 years ago. So there wasn't a key with it when I bought it, but on the Austins, I don't know if you can see, there is a number on the key, on the switch here, so you can order a key off eBay. I think about £3. So there's a lot of work doing to it, but it's something to do in the meantime. So I mean, it's coming on a bit anyway. Anyway, I've just fitted a battery and charged the battery up, so I'll switch the ignition on. It says turning over okay. Ooh. I don't know if you can see this, but push spark, so we know it's firing. So I'm quite surprised actually when you see the state of the wiring on it, you know, that the ignition actually works, but obviously it does. So I'm just putting a battery on it, charge that up. I mean, the wiring is absolutely shit. I mean, it's all got to be renewed, but it's like spaghetti in here. But at least all that works anyway. I can't get it running today because I've got to set the ignition timing and put the radiator back on, all the radiators off. But, progressed a little bit anyway. At least I know that it's firing still. I did clean the point in that last year, so I know that's okay. So I've just got to set the timing now, get the distributor cap off, and get some petrol in it, and hopefully we'll get it running. So if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that way you can keep in touch with any progress that's going to be made, and hopefully within the next few weeks I'll have it up and running, and then get the rest of it done and get it on the road. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.